Hey, Green Thumbs, it's time to embark on an epic growing journey. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete newbie, we've got you covered with our top-notch tips that will take your cultivation to the next level. Tip 1. Start with stellar genetics. Like any great adventure, it all begins with the right choice. Invest in high-quality genetics from reliable sources. For seeds, check for viable, fresh seeds with a dark, mottled appearance. They'll have the best potential for growth, while clones should have established roots. Tip 2. Sunshine and love plants loves the sun, and we do too. Find a sunny spot in your garden and watch your plant bask in the glory of sunlight. It's a great mood booster for both you and your plant. If the sun is unavailable, then sufficient lighting should be introduced. Grow light LEDs are currently the most popular alternative. Tip 3. Feeding frenzy. Feed your plant with nutrient-rich soil and organic fertilizers. Just like we indulge in our favorite meals, your plant will thrive when provided with essential nutrients. Tip 4. Hydration happiness. Stay hydrated, folks, both you and your plant. Water your plant consistently, but avoid overwatering. Allow the soil to dry slightly between watering sessions. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Overwatering in some cases can be more detrimental than underwatering. Tip 5. Prune to bloom. Trim away those unruly branches. Pruning not only keeps your plant looking sharp, but also promotes healthier growth and better air circulation. Plus, it's oddly satisfying. Tip 6. Pest party crashers. Nobody likes uninvited guests, especially those pesky pests. Keep an eye out for potential threats and implement natural pest control methods. Your plant will thank you with robust growth. Tip 7. Love and patience. Last but not least, shower your plant with love and patience. Gardening is a journey of growth, and just like any relationship, it takes time and dedication. Embrace the process, and you'll witness the magic of a thriving plant. Growing a healthy plant is a fulfilling experience, and we hope our tips ignite your passion for gardening even more. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get planning and watch our green gems flourish together. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep those green thumbs happy. See you soon.